hope it's audible for everyone. Muthoot is in the fifth wave of final ABCDE pattern. So today being a monthly expiry, we are going to review the indexes. Indices now. Nifty is flattish. Bank Nifty is flattish. SBI cards is for intraday is what I mentioned. Please given in the telegram. Also, you can check SBI cards. Infrastructure stocks have been moving higher along with the metals. Some push up is seen in the metals counters. Small cap stocks are moving. Mid cap, some momentum is there. If any queries are there, please put up in the chat box. Any questions, any queries, please put up in the chat box, Q&A box, so that I can answer your queries. Fin Nifty is looking good for 24,000 zones. Fin Nifty is looking very good on the charts. One more leg might be left in the mid cap Nifty. Let's see today's gainers. First, Manappuram Finance has risen 5.5%. Ultratech Cement is 5%. Cement stocks yesterday only we have identified. PI Industries, I said it is looking good. Some news is there on the PI Industries acquisition of a plant there in the UK. So PI Industries is looking good. Well, UPL is good. As far as the support is held on 566, one can see, and 580 above UPL can inch higher towards 600 zones. 580 above only the momentum would gain in the UPL. Apart from UPL, Jindal Steel, I would not be preferring metals as of now. Metals, let us wait for the metal counters to encash the moves. MFSL is inching higher for 1030 odd zones. MFSL is looking very good on the charts. The stop would be a bit wide. Let us see the charts here. It's very simple. We are going to review the charts. The trade ideas would be given in the Telegram. Please join the webinars channel to get the review and the updates. IDFC twins from yesterday, I have been narrating that they are looking very good on the charts. So one can look around. Hold on, stick on with the IDFC twins. The momentum has just started. At least 126 is on the cards. If you are holding, just hold on with the IDFC twins. I would recommend to hold on with the IDFC twins. Don't worry. Today onwards will be live whole day, but commentary will be given from 9:15, 9:45 to 10:10. Then 12:45 to 1:15, and 2:30 to 3 o'clock will be live explaining about the trends. Apart from that, the chart should be live clearly during the trading hours whole day. One can watch the Fin Nifty charts. Fin Nifty is looking very good on the charts. The runaway is happening in the financials after a long period of time. The strong move is seen. In fact, the move can take it to 23,900 levels. So dips fin nifty, we need to watch out how to plan the trades, and mid cap nifty also we are doing good for 12,500 levels is clearly witnessed on the mid cap nifty. Mid caps can outperform. So today some momentum in the mid cap and the pharma stocks we are seeing the momentum. The pharma momentum is clearly on the cards. I'm giving a buy on the mid cap nifty. One can buy the call options of the mid cap nifty. On that matter. 32 ಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಕಳಿಸಿದ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 28 ಹಾಕ್ರಿಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ 2850. So that's about the index front. Media index has been gaining traction after a consolidation and correction. Media stocks can inch higher. Along with that, we are seeing some pullback in the metals, but would that be sustained is the question mark. Pharma looks good for the targets of upper zones. Pharma is looking very good on the upper trajectory. Pharma, one can take the call on the pharma. Let's see the advanced decline. What is forming in the index? Advanced decline ratio of the index. Let us have a sneak into it. What is the advanced decline ratio? So 27 advances to 23 declines, almost some 50-55% advanced decline in ratio is there in the index. The advanced decline looks to be on a tilted towards 50-50 zone. So mid cap nifty advanced decline is 21:4. So mid caps have been gaining higher. The traction is seen in the mid cap. Bank nifty 9:3. Financials 19:1. That's why fin nifty is telling that fin nifty can inch higher and looking good on the charts. Fin nifty can gain the traction. MFSL has started moving higher. One can buy in the cash with 970. Stop loss would be very wide bit. It's a bit on the wider side and the upper side. Even the TCS has started moving higher, so watch out. How the trends can be established. On a NSE India site, it's nothing but a NSE India site. See the Jindal Steel you have been asking, and Jindal Steel has started falling. It is not performing. So avoid the counters. Avoid the counters. I am not keen on the metals front. Metals are not looking great on the charts. Avoid metals as of now. Some IT is looking good. Infosys one can watch out. If you are really looking around, Infosys can be watched out. Watch the Infi charts. Infi is looking very good on the charts in that front. Today's low would be the stop of 1532 for targets of 1570. So watch out Infosys. Let's focus on the pharma and IDFC twins rather than deviating our mindset. Pharma stocks have been outperforming. I've been telling pharma stocks have been outperforming. So top picks, SBI cards, we have bought IDFC twins. I am sharing that we are buying IDFC twins. Infosys is one more pick which we are liking. Infosys, one can accumulate Infosys. So watch out. SBI cards, I have given a call. Pharma stocks have been inching higher. In the cement, we are seeing ACC. Let's see the Nifty 500. What is the advanced decline? F&O stocks 124 advances to 57 declines are there. So the continuation of the stock specific action is happening with the markets. Stocks have been sold off as well as we are seeing. So very selective trade setups has to be established. IDFC twins, Infosys and Nifty, we will face a resistance near 23,964 and 24,025. There can be some good healthy sell-off from that level. So watch out very carefully. Place with the stop loss, trade with the stop loss unless we see anything big move. Trade with the stop loss is my recommendation. Clearly, some resistance is there. 23,964 levels have been achieved objectively. 24,000 levels, 24,050 until we crosses. Be careful and be cautious. 24,050 until we cross. Be careful and be cautious. So Nifty 500 also there is an advance of 298 and 199 decline. So it's a multi-cap. Watch out very carefully. Mid-cap Nifty, what's happening? 70 is to 330. The advance decline, what we are seeing, it gives the breadth of the market. Overall breadth of the market is positive. Infosys is showing strength. Well, there is very good consolidation in the ACC, but I would be waiting for the trend to presume back again. It's a very good consolidation on the ACC front. I would wait for the confirmation. Already 2.5% up move as seen in the ACC. The dips on the intraday, we are going to wait for the opportunity. Very selective trades we are going to take from now on. So I would recommend everyone to be very objective and to have a patience. If we are holding Ambuja Cement, 660 would be the stop loss. The next commentary, I would be starting at 12:45 or in between. If I have any trade setups, I would be explaining. The charts would be there live. So that ends the early morning session. We have seen the day. Let's, before getting into the end of the session for the morning, I am going to share you the data. What is the data hinting? Option chain data for the index as today being an expiry. There is some good call rating at the 24,000. So watch out very carefully. Good call rating has been witnessed in the 24,000. 23,900. Some put rating also is seen. So on a cautious note, I would tell 24,000 is not easily crossable, at least for today. I would give the levels in the telegram. The session would be live, but only explanation would be given once we are in the second part of 12:45. Any in between trade comes, I would reply back, or else in a Q&A you can put me for the Q&A so that I can answer your queries. That's it for the first part of the session. Overall outlook we have taken. IDFC Twins has been bought. What we are given apart from that, Infosys is looking good. I have explained the Infosys on a keynote. Stick on with the IDFC Twins, whatever you have bought. Hi everyone, quickly I'm going to recap on the IT stocks. All of the IT stocks have been moving higher. We have picked up the Tech Mahindra, which is one of our top picks. Already the stock has inched some 23 points. The stock is still inching higher, and it can head towards the bigger move. The Tech Mahindra looks very good on the charts. The breakout is on the cards. The major support has been broken out. Now 1400 1390 levels has been taken out. The next leg can be 1520, 1480 to 1530 levels. Looking very good on the charts. In fact, TCS also is looking very good. So watch out at TCS. I've been sharing Infosys, which is looking very good on the move. Tech Mahindra option also we have taken the option price. Let me have a sneak into the option price. The stock looks to be positive on the cards. India Mart cash no more. Asian paint for Birla Soft looking good. It's positionally we are heading towards 750 plus levels at least. Birla Soft is looking very good on the charts. In fact, I am bullish on the Birla Soft. On that front, the stock is looking very good on the charts. B Soft can inch higher daily charts. If you see, the stock is been consolidating, and once we cross 715 levels, the stock can head towards 775. So that's what I believe. Birla Soft is looking very good on the charts. IT stocks are inching higher towards the upward trajectory. IT stocks, we are seeing the upward momentum in the IT stocks. Tech Mahindra can book the 1439 has been tested in the Tech Mahindra, so we can book partial profits in the Tech Mahindra. So partial profit booking can be seen. 50% profit booking reaches the target. I'll update on the Telegram channel.
So this is medicine.
Now, after Tech Mahindra, we can see HCL Tech, which is on the verge of a breakout. HCL Tech, one can watch out HCL Tech 1440 as a stop loss. One can watch the HCL Tech. Tech Mahindra has moved up. HCL Tech is inching higher. Wait for the confirmation to buy on close on 15 minutes above 1450 levels. 1450 levels, once it has to cross, then only we can buy HCL Tech. Wait for the confirmation. Fourteen fifty two levels has to be crossed in the HCL Tech, then only the momentum would gain. In the HCL Tech, the momentum would gain above 1450 53 levels, and once we cross that, we can buy for upper level targets of 1470. Wait for the confirmation for cross above the levels. The closing on 15 minutes is very important zone. IT index only is up 1.8% is what we are seeing. The close above the levels is very much important. Let's wait for the close. If only HCL Tech close above these levels, then only we are going to buy the HCL Tech. I'm going to update on the charts. Hope all have capitalized on the TCS move. Emphasis is looking good as well, but we have to cross 2455 levels. Then the move would come. Infosys has risen. Whole IT as a pack, we are seeing the momentum on the upside. Tech Mahindra, one can book the profits in the Tech Mahindra. The levels are clearly on the note. Tech Mahindra, one can book the profits. The profits can be booked in the Tech Mahindra. HCL Tech, not a confirmation yet. Our LTTS 4770 stop loss we have placed the 10-point stop loss trade, which is the lowest stop loss which we have taken the entry point. Now we have to watch out the zones, what to do, how to react on the levels. The 20-point profits we are already in. Stock is inching higher. HCL Tech is not crossing the zones. Let us wait for the confirmation. The confirmation trade is the best trade to trade. Let's wait for the confirmation on the note. Any of the stock queries, you can feel free to ask. If you have any stock queries, feel free to ask. Financials is best avoid from these levels. Financials, the impulse advance may have completed. The financials are the best avoid at these levels. Avoid financials, don't buy financials. Dips would be an ideal opportunity for TCS to enter. Dips would be ideal opportunity. 3890, any panic dip comes, enter the TCS. Will let us see. We will wait for that entry point in the TCS. IT also has risen dramatically already. Now we have to watch out and act as per the trends. Let's trade wisely. The markets are jittery. 24,000 calls have been written hugely in the markets. Mid cap is looking already on a consolidation zone. Infrastructure index, if it moves, then only there can be some momentum. Markets are selling off. Markets are selling off. 23,900 puts can be seen. Markets are selling off. Nifty is getting sold off. Clear sell off in the Nifty is seen. Watch out the clear sell off. Let's see which are the stocks which are weaker. Let's see the weaker note stocks. AU Bank has reversed as we have discussed ABC pattern. Here I have shown it on the charts. Clearly the AU Bank has reversed in a strong way. Indian Hotel has reversed the impulse advance which was due, and the due correction is on the cards for the stock. Stock can correct in a bigger note. Well, PNB also has reversed. Top losing stocks, there is some reversal in the stock, so be cautious, very very cautious on that note. Be very 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 cautious is what I would advise. Be very cautious on that note. See, even TCS is cooling off. Let us wait. The markets are on a shaky note after a stupendous rise. Markets are on a shaky note. As we are seeing, there is a huge rise, stupendous rise. Markets are cooling off. If you have any queries, please put up in the Q&A box. So I can answer your queries. Any stock queries or stock positions you own, please feel free to ask. Markets can give away some gains, so be cautious. Cash is getting shifted to the stock specific action. There is a good sell off in certain stocks. Bank Nifty is getting weaker. Apart from Nifty, Bank Nifty is getting weaker. The head and shoulder pattern is getting formed in the Bank Nifty. Let's wait for the confirmation to trade. Bank Nifty is getting weaker. Head and shoulder pattern is getting in the Bank Nifty. And once we break below these levels and sustain below these levels, 52 650, 52 600 levels are very important. And if it is broken, we are going to see the good correction in the banks. So Bank Nifty is getting weaker. Watch out. Let's wait for the confirmation. Wait for the confirmation is the mantra. IT also today, it is being shifted. The cash is getting shifted to the IT stocks because of the defensives as the markets may correct. That is the reason it is been shifted to the IT stocks. So be very careful. The market trend is getting weaker, and let's see the breadth of the market. See, Nifty advanced decline 27 is to 23. That is what is happening. Nifty financials advanced decline is 15, while Nifty mid cap declines are more than advances. Mid cap declines are more than advances. Even on the banks, declines are more than advances. 8 banks are declining with the 4. So the breadth of the market is getting weaker. Nifty advance decline is 1:1 now. Nifty advance decline is 1:1. Apart from IT, there is nothing which is showing the strength, and that also money is getting shifted to the IT because banks are getting jittery. So in a Nifty 500, we are seeing a 200 decline and a 300 decline and a 200 advance. So broader market also getting weaker. Broader market metals are getting killed. Metals, we are seeing the metal stocks are getting butchered. Let us see the metal stocks. Metal stocks are getting butchered. We are seeing a top fall in the NMDC, which is showing the cracks. Hindustan Copper, Vedanta, all have been on a downward note. The metals are getting killed. Now some power stocks are moving. As we are seeing, there is some momentum in the power stocks. Like let's see the infra index. Let's do the analysis. Well, will it sustain? Is the big question. So we are not going to take a trade setup based on the just it's for the study purpose is what we are doing. Even due to the market weakness, IDFC twins are weakening, but let us see if it sustains at end of the day. We have booked a good profit in the IT. Polycab India is looking good on charts for a short sell, not for a buying purpose. What I am telling is for a short sell, stock looks weak. Once we break 7,100, then only we are going to sell the stock. Our second session pick is NTPC and Power Grid. Can it perform? Power Grid, can it perform? Is what we need to watch out. Power Grid, if it performs, 325 would be the 326 would be the SL. So over and all, it's a stock specific selling what we are seeing in the markets. Stock specific selling is happening. We are seeing a weakness in the markets as today being expiry 24,000 calls have been written. Small caps also declines are more than advanced. Small caps also declines are more than advanced. As we are seeing, there is a more decline. The breadth is weakening in the market. Though markets are on a rise on a positive note, we are seeing a decrease in the breadth of the markets. So one needs to be very careful in these kind of a markets. There can be a sudden sell off or some consolidation. See, we are seeing all the IT stocks, 10 out of the 10 IT stocks are on advance. 10 out of the 10 IT stocks have seen an advance, while the banking and financials, we have seen the decline in a similar way. Financials are weak and IT is broadly moving higher. What to do? Wait for the confirmation. We are holding India Mart's cash and LTTS cash or futures. Those are the only two stocks which we are seeing. As there is some momentum in the stock specific action. We are trading on a very cautious note in the markets. The markets are entering the jittery mode. We are trading on a very cautious note. So let's wait for the 2:30 trade. 2:30 trade we are going to discuss. Any questions, feel free to put up on the Q&A so that I can answer your questions and we can see the trends. If you are holding any positions also, you can put up in the Q&A so we can discuss what the trends can be, how we can plan out the trade setups and where we can improvise our trades. Put up on the Q&A so that I can answer your queries. Let's see, it's not been falling much. IDFC First Bank. It's not been falling much, but markets have been weakening, banks have been weakening. That's why How to identify the stock? Well, there are certain chart techniques and Elliott waves which we have been applying continuously and consistently, which are giving us the results. So that is how we have been identifying the charts and applying them with the price action zones. So hold on with the IDFC First Bank. If the momentum gains end of the day, let's see and react accordingly. Buying seen in India Mart Intermesh bought the futures. There can be some momentum in the stock. The momentum can take the stock to the much higher levels. Some 25-30 points move can be seen in the India Mart Intermesh. Stock is moving in a fast paced environment. So the stock can inch upwards towards 2800 levels, where the momentum can gain the strength and the stock is on a bullish note. Overall, as per the weekly charts, at least 2775 levels can be seen in the India Mart Enterprise. Hold on with the tight stop as given. Watch out the levels accordingly and act accordingly. Let's see. Let's wait. Power grid is the new emergent for the trade. Dividend India Mart. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the BTST trades at the second half of the session. Expiry day trades. There is a huge discrepancy in the market trades. What is happening? A huge discrepancy is happening in the trade setups. So we are seeing a reversal trades in the markets. Stocks have been butchered. Stocks have been killed. As we are seeing erratic moves, let us wait for tomorrow's confirmation. Overall trend is weakening. That's what we could say. Bank Nifty has hit the threshold. Head and shoulder zones have been happening in the trades and the trends. Markets are getting on a weaker trajectory. Even the IT, some cool off is happening after the rise. So banks are getting weaker. We are seeing a clear head and shoulder pattern. End of the day, 3 o'clock, we are going to take the trades. Hope I am audible. All the stocks are reversing in a strong note. A reversal is happening in the index as expected. We are seeing a weakness in the index. The Nifty, Bank Nifty, all the trades 23,834 is the next level. 834 to 830. We can see the levels in the Nifty. So the idea would be to avoid any of the BTST trades for today. Avoid the BTST trades. Don't take any of the trades. Carry forward. Be relaxed. Close all your positions is my view. Personally, I would be avoiding the trades, and there is a sell off in the sectorial indices as expected. Even reality is cracking. We have seen the real estate index has been coming down. Small cap is down by a percentage point. Small cap is down by a percentage point. So waiting for the right trade on a correction is really key for the trading success now. As we are seeing the weakness in the indices, be very careful of the books. Banks have been cracking the impulse advance, as it's been mentioned. Bank Nifty and the Fin Nifty both seems to have completed the impulse advance in the index. Stock specifically, it's better to be on a selective selling side, but we would avoid intraday sell off only would be witnessed. That's what is our agenda. Intraday sell off is the best idea. The selling as of now is not yet confirmed, so we would be taking and tracking the trades with the intraday sell off. We would not be taking any of the trades which are unadvisable, and markets may chop out some traders before any sell off occurs. So it would be better to avoid the trade setups. The rises can be sold rather than entering the point. As of now, rises can be sold in the markets. In these markets, the rises can be sold. Watch out the rise to sell. A selective stock specific action is clearly is what is happening. There is no continuation in the chart specific action as we are witnessing. A continuation is not witnessed as the charts hint. So it would be a wait and watch mode for the markets, wait and watch mode. Birla Soft is looking good, but do I need to enter the stock? Is the Birla Soft is looking good, but do we need to enter? Is the question here. Positionally, it is looking good on the charts. Birla Soft is looking good on the charts. Stock is forming a hammer after a rally. The flag kind of a pennant kind of a pattern is getting formed. On a breakout above this, we can see the stock to inch higher. Let's see for till 3 o'clock if the BTST can be taken. I would be updating with you. The Birla Soft is one stock which we like. Well, BTST trades needs to be very careful as the markets are near the resistance zone. I'm very clear on the note. Let's wait for the next trade to be taken. Any questions, please put forward. Please put it forward in the chat box. I'll be waiting for your questions. On a Q&A, you can put up your questions. Siemens is inching higher for the intraday trade. Well, the stop loss is quite wide. 7540 would be a big stop loss. Let us see the shorter time frame. If we can take the trade, I would say that it would be better avoid. I would be rather on a wait and watch mode in commodities. Commodities can trigger some buying from today and tomorrow. Well, selective commodities would be an ideal opportunity for buying today and tomorrow. If we are seeing something in the gold and silver or metals, there can be some buying which can trigger the metals towards the next leg of pullback, at least for the expiry pullback is witnessed. Today and tomorrow, there would be a great opportunity in the commodities where the risk reward ratio is favorable. I would be preferring the commodities front. So let's wait for the trades. Any questions, please feel to drop up. Commodities, I would be taking the mini lots in the aluminum. Mini lots in the aluminum, which can see some good pullback. 230.50 would be the targets for the aluminum, which is what we are seeing. We are seeing a good pullback in the metals, and even 232 levels can be seen in the aluminum. A couple of mini lots can be added to establish the trades. Watch out the trade setups accordingly. So I would be preferring to act accordingly as per the trades. Let us cautiously take a note. Apart from Siemens and ABB, there is no trades from my side. There are no trades. You can even speak up on a Q&A.
Sarji,
Hello.
Sarji, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, I want to make the payment for the Monday onwards. Can you just share the link or how to make?
Hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, yeah, I'm able to hear you. Can you? You are hearing me?
Your voice is quite low.
Uh, Now, yeah, you are able to listen?
So just hold on for a minute, please.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are able to hear me?
Yes, yes. Please tell me, sir.
Yeah, nothing. I want to just make the payment for the July. So, can you share the link, or I'm not able to see in the webinars information regarding payment information.
Okay. I would be sharing it with. I'll tell your name, sir. Raghunath.
Yeah, Raghunandan.
Raghunandan. I'll tell Mr. Chandru from our team, Febina's team, to call you up
Right, sir. Right, sir.
so that you can go ahead, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Thank you. So anybody wants to start from the Monday, they can go through the details in the webinars page. I think there is a join watch list is there, sir. I'll just show it to you.
Yeah, it is going to again coming to the same screen. It is
Okay.
not making me the payment.
Just give me a moment, sir.
Yeah.
Please. Here it's going on.
Enroll. But 1 minute. Let me- Okay, I'll see, sir. I'll just check up and then see. No
Yes,
problem.
sir. Yes, sir. Please, please, any provide your reviews and the feedback.
Yes, yes, yes.
How it's been happening, right? So thank you
Yeah.
very much. Yeah. Oh, Tata Motors. So any questions, please feel free to ask on the Q&A so that I can help you guys out. The Q&A is there, so you can post it on the Q&A. I can help you out, or you can raise your hands to talk with me.
Sajay, what happened? This Siemens you were mentioning, I was not
No,
evaluating.
no, it's just for the study purpose, sir. I was just sharing the charts. Some momentum is there. Let us wait for today as it's expiry. Although we have crossed the levels of 24,000,
Yeah.
being an expiry day, I would be cautiously watching out how the markets pan out for tomorrow and act accordingly rather than acting now.
Right. So we are not having any
Uh,
BTSC
uh,
estimates there. Yes.
let's wait, sir. Let's wait. Let's not get into a hurry and take something which is hastier, because markets are a bit over bought zones. Particularly banks are showing some fatigue. Although it's moved up, what I'm seeing is Bank Nifty looks to be bit on a cautious note. Let us see and act tomorrow morning how the trend. Maybe another 100, 200 points gap up. Obviously, it would be sell on rises for at least next few days. So let's complete the expiry and take a call tomorrow.
Right. Right.
Right.